There was a time when the hero was just an ordinary person. But that time is long gone. His fears and anxieties have taken over his life, turning it into a living nightmare. Every night, he is haunted by terrifying dreams that leave him exhausted and on edge. But tonight, something is different. Tonight, he stumbles upon an ancient tome that tells of a powerful artifact that can banish all fears and anxieties. The hero knows he must find this artifact and conquer his fears once and for all. And so, he sets out on a perilous journey through different levels, facing different challenges and enemies along the way. Welcome, mortal. I am the Phantom, the master of the unknown. What brings you to my domain?
I seek to conquer my fears and anxieties. And to do that, I must defeat you.
You defeat me? You don't stand a chance, but I like your spirit. Come, let us see if you can keep up with me. The Phantom is a master of stealth and deception. It can appear out of nowhere, attack with spectral energy, and disappear before the hero can strike back. The hero must stay alert and use his wits to track down the Phantom. The hero cautiously moves forward, scanning the area for any sign of the Phantom. Suddenly, the Phantom reappears behind the hero, striking with a blast of spectral energy. You're too slow, mortal. You'll never catch me like that.
I'll get you, you cowardly Phantom.
The hero must evade the Phantom's attacks and use his own skills to strike back. He can dodge the spectral energy blasts, use his own magic or weapons, or set traps to catch the Phantom off guard. The hero and the Phantom engage in a fast-paced battle, with the Phantom appearing and disappearing constantly. The hero manages to dodge most of the attacks and land a few blows, but the Phantom is always one step ahead. You're not bad, mortal. But can you keep up?
I won't give up. I'll defeat you and conquer my fears.
The hero's determination pays off as he finally manages to corner the Phantom. With a final blow, the Phantom disappears in a burst of spectral energy. The hero looks around, panting and sweating. He then looks at the artifact he found earlier, glowing with a faint light.
I did it. I defeated the Phantom and got one step closer to conquering my fears.
With the Phantom defeated, the hero can move on to the next challenge, with newfound confidence and strength.